So it is around September and October, harvest season, and I know a lot of people are going to have corn lying around and wondering what to do with it. And I recently watched this street food video in China where this guy was making corn cakes. And usually corn cakes, it's made entirely from usually cornmeal. But this guy was doing it with fresh corn, and he was doing it, grinding everything with a stone grinder as well. And I thought, hey, I know who else has a stone grinder. So I thought today I would be giving it a try. It's just, it's a very simple recipe. It's just corn. And then you fry it up. So it is a little bit more on the indulgent side. But the results are that the cakes are actually really sweet. They're naturally sweet just from the corn. And it's kind of like a little bit soft, a little bit fluffy on the inside. So yeah, thought I'd give it a try. Hope you all enjoy. Oh, how long I've been waiting to use this grinder. So I had about 3 corns, and that was 2.5 to 3 cups of corn, and that is going to make right around 2 cups of a corn mash. Okay, so this is the final product. I mean, barely any water was added at all. You could probably now season it with some salt if you want, maybe different types of seasonings, but I think I'm gonna try it just as corn, and I put it into this container with a spout because it's going to be easier. So because I wanted to crisp the bottoms but also cook the middle, each side actually took about 4 minutes. So it's a little bit of time. I'd say like medium high heat-ish, and just be very careful when you're flipping them over. Sometimes they loosen from the sides and then it kind of just oozes out a bit. So just be careful with that. And those rings, they're just tart or like cookie molds, cookie cutters. Some of the batter stuck to the sides of the cookie cutters, but actually if you just run some oil along the sides, it actually pops out really easily. And actually, it's probably easier that they stick to the sides a little bit. Again, when they're turned, it's easier to keep them in the molds. So this is the finished product. I actually flipped them a couple times so that both sides would be kind of double fried. Added obviously some salt on top, which was exactly what they needed. And the insides are actually a really nice, I mean, I would say almost a cake-like texture, and it was just super sweet, like super corn flavored, super sweet, obviously, but it just tastes that much better. I will say, I think that the frying, obviously it adds the crispiness, but it took a little bit away from the natural corn flavor. Like, I think that this would be really good if you baked it, right? And then maybe just brushing a little bit of oil afterwards, and then, you know, maybe pan frying it at the end, just to lessen up on that oil a little bit, because I don't have a problem with necessarily frying, but it was a really nice flavor. It was delicious. But yeah, the oil did take away from it a little bit, but still a fun trial to do. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you all again next time. All right, bye.